Think you've seen every life hack? Think again. Here are 8 new hacks you probably haven't tried but totally should. Hack 1. Rub a walnut over scratched wood furniture. Yes, a walnut. The natural oils help hide minor scuffs instantly. Hack 2. Use a fork to keep your taco upright. Just slide it under the shell on the plate. Taco stays standing. Hands stay clean. Hack 3. Charging too slow? Put your phone in airplane mode. It charges up to 30% faster when nothing's running in the background. Hack 4. Drop a marshmallow in a brown sugar bag to keep it soft. No more rock-hard sugar bricks. Hack 5. Need cold butter for baking but forgot to chill it? Grate it with a cheese grater. It mixes faster and stays cool. Hack 6. Keep your bin liner from slipping down by sticking 2 adhesive hooks upside down on the outside. Loop the bag handles over them. No more sinking bags. Hack 7. Got foggy headlights? Rub toothpaste on them. Scrub, then rinse. They'll shine like new. Hack 8. Use a tension rod under your sink to hang spray bottles. It saves space and keeps things organized. Boom. 8 hacks in 2 minutes. Which one are you trying today? Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more smart, simple hacks that actually work.